Paramashiva gives Kamikagama to Parashakti. Listen, throughout these scriptures, whether Vedas, Upaveda, Veda Angas, Vedanta, usually Upanishad is considered to be the Vedanta. Then Agama, Agama Anga, Upa-agamas, then Agamanta. Usually Jnana Pada of all Agamas is considered to be the Agamanta. So listen, Veda, Upaveda, Vedanga, Vedanta, Agama, Upagama, Agama Anga, Agamanta. This is what is revered and respected, accepted as the fundamental Hindu scriptures by almost all sampradayas and universally. This whole spectrum of Veda and Agama literatures, scriptures, agree upon one point. Purushartha, purpose of life is Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha.